Most people don't realize how insane Google's new AI video model called Omni really is. I mean, look at this. I could sit on this bed here and snap my fingers, and now the lights start flickering around me. But it gets crazier, because let's say you zoom into my feet here, you can see that we've got this live animal inside my hotel room. And now I'm holding this object and I can hold anything that I want. Or I can click my fingers and these blinds behind me will start opening and light will start flooding into this room. But it gets crazier on this last thing. You see, you can see my eyes through this water bottle. If I snap my fingers, we've now filled this water bottle with water, and now I can snap my fingers and we can change the material of any object.
I have been testing this Omni cream. Look at this rich consistency. It blends flawlessly into my skin. I highly recommend it. Ich habe diese Omni Creme getestet. Sehen Sie sich diese reichhaltige Konsistenz an. Es verschmilzt makellos mit meiner Haut. Ich kann es nur wärmstens empfehlen. He estado probando esta crema Omni. Mira qué consistencia tan rica. Se mezcla perfectamente con mi piel. La recomiendo mucho. このオムニスキンケアクリームを試しています。この濃厚なテクスチャー見てください。肌にスッと馴染みます。本当におすすめです。
Well, I don't know what it is.
Well, I don't know what it is.
Well, I don't know what it is.
Looking at the third quarter, profits remain stagnant. Our investment numbers require further alignment. Let us examine the overhead costs now.
There's so many different kinds of edits that you can do, and I think we weren't sure what exactly the model was going to pick up on, but it actually is very versatile. We have an amazing group of people who have been making demos for the past couple of weeks. And I've been really blown away with all the kinds of things that they have been able to do, of turning themselves into crochet dolls and liquefying things, you know, and those things, and they just work, and it's all through prompting, which is pretty incredible.
So I was looking at this AI influencer called Fofa. They have been around for quite a while now. It is honestly just kind of mid.